thought you wanted to craft with me. You just left me up there by myself.
I'm trying to check my necklace.
Okay. Do you want to craft with me? Actually, while we're down here, I'm gonna try to find your tights and then we'll go craft. Do you want to or do you want to not? You don't have to. Do you want to look at it? What do you want to do? What?
I don't want to look at my dance.
You don't want to look for tights? We have to. I will. There's so many things going on. Looks like Monopoly was about to be played. No. Winston went
bowling with Harrison.
So then there's just a mess right there. Why? Why? Because there were 2 lunchboxes in my car, 2 cups in my car. All this stuff was from my car, except for the stuff that's supposed to be right here. Okay, I'm gonna hurry and look and see. I know I washed tights. Where did I put them? I put some fake eyelashes on and I feel weird. A while ago, I tried Lashify and I liked it. And then I saw that a lot of people were like just wearing them for my laundry room right now. Layla, where did I put your tights, huh?
I know.
Anyway, I tried it and it irritated my eyes so bad. I have very sensitive eyes. That's why they're always red. It just means, irritated means it like, they get itchy really easily or they're red really easily. Anyway, so I just ordered this. This is the brand Kiss. I just got it from Amazon. It was a lot cheaper also, I believe. I don't see any tights in here. Let's go look in my room. Also, are you sure that you looked in the right place in your room?
Yeah, I looked in my dance drawer.
Anyway, I ordered, I'm so sorry. I'm like losing my train of thought. Where are the tights?
I told you.
I apologize. Welcome to my brain. Anyway, so I tried this kind. I still had the kit and like everything I needed, but I just think some people look good with fake lashes and some people don't, and I do not like how I look with fake lashes.
So, does it get itchy on me?
No, we'll figure that out in a second. Okay, I'm gonna find tights. I really just wanted to show you the craft that I was making, and it turned into this. How long have I been rambling on for 3 minutes? No, we're gonna find tights and then we're gonna go upstairs. We didn't find tights, but we did find another dance outfit, so it's gonna be just fine.
It's actually a yoga outfit.
Oh, it's a yoga outfit. It also looks like a dance outfit. Okay, whoa. Whoa. Okay, do you wanna hop up here? I don't know why, but last night I thought I'm gonna make a tic-tac-toe board for Valentine's Day. So I started doing that last night. My laptop ended up dying and I finished it this morning and then I just came up and cut it out. And I was making one. I was putting it all together after I got it cut out and Layla wanted to make one. So I cut out a smaller one for her. This is a little tic-tac-toe board. So I'm gonna have you pop those squares out, okay?
Okay.
I thought you might like to do that. And then also the middle of the O's. So we have a bunch of X's and O's. This will be the back. Okay. I'm covering the back of mine. I'm covering the back of mine in this scrapbooking paper, but you can do a different scrapbooking paper. You can paint it. You can do whatever you want to do.
Do you need these squares?
No, we don't need those squares,
Can I peel them?
but we'll save them.
For what?
Probably for something else that I'll never do, but I save all of my scraps. That's probably the hardest thing about having the laser cutter. So when I cut things out, there's so many scraps and like little pieces of the wood that I couldn't quite use, and I have such a hard time throwing it away because I feel like I'm wasting. But I don't know. I feel like this would be something to save. I could use it for something. So
when it's like you can make like an ice cube.
oh yeah, you maybe can make an ice cube with it. So also I've been working on some keychains. Yeah, you could. I've been working on some keychains. Casey has a hunting expo coming up, and I've made keychains in the past that say hash just for Casey. And Laurie had mentioned something to me about making keychains to sell there, and I was like, I don't know if Casey would want me to. But I just put this together and I showed him and he loved them. This is their logo that they use most often, and so I just made this little keychain so it would hang right here. And it says Hush engraved. We've been playing around, or I've been playing around with some different options. I really like this one also. This one kind of like lays in side instead of being 3D. So I like that also. I think I would need to add another layer of acrylic just because I feel like this would break easily. This one I feel like These aren't like finished and like obviously they would look better if I sold them, but this needs to just be, this one needs to be wiped down a little bit more, but this seems to be everyone's favorite. So the keychain is right there, the keyhole is right there, and then the hush is on the antler. I don't know, what do you think?
I never saw that.
Do you like it for the keychain? They also like the orange
Oh yeah, I see
for
that.
hunting, because you wear orange when you're hunting.
Yeah, orange.
So I've just been playing around with some different, nobody liked this one. I've just been playing around with some different ideas. This is not the same as the other keychains that I made for Casey. I have no idea where they went. Here's another one that's like laying in their flat. I do like this color. Layla likes these two, and I really like these two also. I just ordered some more acrylic, so as soon as it gets here, I'm going to be busy doing that because it's gonna be a lot. Casey wants 500. Have I ever done anything that big? No, I have not. So I've been messing around with that. I also just cut it out of some different material just to see. I don't know. I just need to leave it alone. Casey was like, these ones look really great. Why are you making more? And I just can't help it. That's why. But I did paint this. I love this color for Valentine's Day. I just think it looks so cute with pink and red. And then the scrapbooking paper that I showed will go behind it on the board. So I painted my board white so that it would just look nice when it's all Mod Podged. And then I'm doing red O's and pink X's. So sorry, Layla, do you want to pick up some paint?
Yeah.
Yeah? How many colors do you want? And do you want to do the scrapbooking paper behind? See, I'll put the scrapbooking paper on here and then it will poke through like that.
Can I pick some?
Of course you can. Do you want to look at all the scrap paper?
Yeah.
Okay. Layla's picking out some scrapbooking paper and I'm just putting some Mod Podge on my board here. Mod Podge and I go way back. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know I used to Mod Podge everything. Did you pick some?
Well, like, I really want this scribble. I've been like looking through all of it and I couldn't find the girl.
You can't find that girl?
No.
She might be on just a big sheet. Do you think?
Yeah.
That other book had a bunch of cute girls, and I think that they even had hearts on their shirts, maybe, or they had like sunglasses. Cause they're like the same.
These are the same ones. These are the same.
Yeah, they're the
This
same.
one?
That.
Oh,
Look
I
how
love
cute
it.
that is. Isn't that darling?
Yeah. I like the girl with the pink.
And they do have hearts. Look, that one has hearts on her shirt. Do you want to see how that will look under your tic-tac-toe? Because also you might not be able to see it very good. Oh, that's pretty cute. What do you think?
I love it.
You do love it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cute.
I find it.
Yeah, you can keep
High
looking.
heels?
Ooh, shoes. Cute. Okay, and then I cut out my piece of paper and I'm just putting that right onto this board. And I don't go all the way to the corners just because I want the two pieces of the plywood to glue together rather than one of them glued to the scrapbooking paper. And I feel like the scrapbooking paper will be very secure, but I don't know, I just worry sometimes that it won't. Oh yeah, that's cute. And I'll put a layer of Mod Podge over the top just to protect the paper. Just in case, I don't, just from like getting dirty. I mean, it still could possibly get dirty, but it just helps a little, you know? How about these angles though? Just hi. Ooh, I love that hair too. That is really cute.
I like it.
That's cute.
I would do that.
Oh! You want to do hair like that on you?
Yeah.
So just a thin layer over the top.
It dropped on my toe.
It did? Are you okay?
Why do you do that? Don't paint.
Well, it will dry clear and then it will protect it
Oh.
from like dirty fingers.
Have you guys ever heard of the cheese touch?
The what?
The cheese touch?
What the heck is that?
So like there's a piece of cheese and it's been there for 5 million years.
5 million?
And if you touch it, it means you have the cheese touch. And no one would want to be your friend. And if you touch them, now they have the cheese touch.
Did you touch
And then,
it? Where is it?
like,
Where is the cheese?
everywhere.
I don't want to touch it.
Everywhere.
Wait, if you saw the cheese, would you touch it?
If I didn't know, if I didn't saw videos.
Well, you wouldn't kind of want to touch it though, just because it's like there and like.
Well, it is Swiss cheese.
It is Swiss cheese?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
So like, it doesn't look dirty, but it is.
Oh, really?
It's been there since Jesus was born. No, since God was.
Oh, really? Who told you about this?
It was also on YouTube.
Interesting.
Ew. Mom.
I'm just having issues. Don't worry. You just have a giant bubble. So then I
Can I
pushed
get
down
something?
with my finger and got it dirty. So everything that I'm avoiding, because I have like paint and stains stuck to my finger.
This is
I'm a mess
so
lately.
cute on the X's.
I love that idea for the X's. I love this paint. Also, not only is it just so adorable, but it also is like glossy, and I feel like it would protect the pieces. So that's a great idea.
And then I want the O's to be white.
I love it.
So,
What color do you want to paint your board?
what color did you?
I painted it that turquoise.
Oh, I don't like it.
This is just gonna be whatever. This is just a test run.
Oh, sorry.
Layla.
I think I want to do it red.
You want to do red?
Yeah.
I have a few different reds. I have this red. I have like this one that's kind of a pinkish red. It's called Rosy Red.
Ooh, I love that.
You want that one then?
Yeah.
I love it. There you go. So what background are you going with? Are you going to do these girls, or do you want to do the shoes or the lip gloss or some hearts?
What one did I don't see? The girl's hair is so cute.
I know, but that won't really work behind that.
I'll do the
It'll just
girls.
cover it too much.
I want to do the same as you.
You want to? Oh yeah, you can do these hearts. The same as me. Just try to avoid the bubbles.
Can I put that stuff on?
Yeah. What did you say?
It's Bailey's.
It is really cute. That's Braylee's. Super cute. Okay, so just paint this. Then we'll put the paper on this. And then you can paint your X's and O's. I know you want to do the glitter, but it will be good to like paint the O's white and the X's like a peachy color, similar to the glitter, so that it's not see-through. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Ooh, that is a great color. I
Are you
super
gonna
love
like
that.
do the thing when it's all done? Like pop those out?
We'll just glue it all together. Yeah. Okay. Once you're done painting this, then I'll get the Mod Podge and you can get your hearts glued on.
Okay.
You ready for dance? Pretty darn cute.
And they have pockets.
Cute color. Amazing.
I never knew that.
Yeah. This is a cute little sweatshirt from Kramasemi. It's adorable. I love it. Okay, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Snack for the way. Nice. Got my little tic-tac-toe board finished. I love how it turned out. That's so cute. I stole Layla's idea, and I did glitter on the X's and O's. Then I decided to start on another project. I mean, why not? And I am going to make a little Valentine's Day banner with yarn. I've been working on these wool hearts. So I just start with like this wool, if you haven't seen it before, and then shape it, and then put a color on it. I thought it would be cute to do like something like that. I don't know, we'll see. You working on some homework?
Yeah.
Yeah, working on some homework here. Okay, stop right now, Layla. That is an excellent foot.
And that's rose.
A flower for F's. But guess what? You're gonna have to do an R for rose or an F for flower. It could be either.
Rose.
Or a flower.
Could this be a
Reeky foot. It reeks.
rook?
Good job, baby.
Are you working on this?
Working on this.
And these are little pom-poms.
Mm-hmm.
Go team!
Just stuff falling everywhere. Okay. Okay, come over here and finish this. This though says color the picture that begins with R. So no F's in that one. And then this says find and circle all the R's. You did that. Good. But I feel like you need to maybe add a couple more in here.
No.
Yeah.